let's get this out of the way. When I first saw people making money online, I thought, scam 100%. And you know what? Maybe you think the same thing. But here is the biggest thing. The biggest scam isn't online business. The scam is spending your whole life broke, you're tired, and you're waiting for a paycheck that never covers those bills. I was a single mom. I was exhausted, choosing which bills not to pay. I saw people online talking about funnels and systems, and I just rolled my eyes. But I had to ask myself, what's the bigger risk? Is it trying something new, or is it doing nothing and staying stuck? Let's be real. There are scams, there are empty promises, overnight riches, no products, no value, just hype. People telling you that you're going to make thousands with zero effort. But that's not what I do. What I use is a digital system. There's 4 real products. It's not hype, it's skills. It's marketing. It's building something that works 24/7 instead of me killing myself at a job. The difference between a scam and a system, skills plus product. People hear the word funnel and they think it's complicated. It's not. Imagine walking into Target. You grab a cart, you browse the store with whatever you need, then you check out. That is a funnel. Online, it's the same thing. People see content, they enter their email, they learn more, and they purchase what helps them, and that's it. Funnels aren't complicated. It's just guiding people step by step. Most people never will start because it's easier to call everything a scam than to admit that they're scared to make a change. But here is the truth. If you don't start, nothing will ever change. I was terrified too, but being broke scared me more. Calling everything a scam, here's what you need: a phone, Wi-Fi, 2 hours a day, and the willingness to actually learn. That's it. Not a degree, not 40 plus hours a week, not selling candles out of your garage. This is all you really need to build income online. So here is your choice. Keep doing what you're doing, same stress, same bill, same life next year. Or take one step, learn the system, and build a different future. The scam is wasting yet another year being stuck. The opportunity is right here. A year from now, do you want to be in the same place again? If you're done being stuck, comment ready below. And if you want to see the exact system, step by step, grab my free formula blueprint. It's linked below in the comments and description. Just scroll, don't complain. This is your wake-up call. You got this.